Hello everyone. Welcome to QuickBooks Online Level 2 Section 2, Exam Question. Let's dive in. Your client wants to invoice a customer for a fuel expense they incurred as part of a job for them. They are recording this expense, and the category detail line specifies the client's fuel expense account. They mark the expense as billable and enter the customer's name. How will QuickBooks record the expense? A. The transaction will credit accounts payable, debit fuel expense, and create a billable expense. B. The transaction will debit accounts payable and credit the fuel expense account. C. The transaction will credit accounts payable and debit the billable expense income account. The transaction will debit accounts payable and credit the billable expense income account. The correct answer is A. The transaction will credit accounts payable, debit fuel expense, and create a billable expense.